So awesome. So here we are with the podcast and interview with one of the success story and Sattvic coder of the community. So welcome Dr. Murtaza ji, and he has been religiously following all the Sattvic code. He joined the Sattvic Detox Code program on 1st of November, and within few days he got dramatic results with his health, with his life completely changed, and he had several breakthrough moments in just few days, and he's 60 years old right now, and still he got amazing results. So one more myth is busted here. Age is just a number because you can be young at heart, and it all depends on what you think about
Absolutely,
yourself.
absolutely.
So
Age
yes,
is only
well,
a number.
yes, exactly. So Murtaza
I
ji,
was,
please share your story and how you started this journey. What was your life before? How your
yeah,
medication
yeah.
changed and
Thank you,
everything.
thank you so much. It's been, you can say 27 years of torture and distress. The time I started having, high blood pressure, then weight started increasing gradually with the, decrease in activity due to preoccupations in your job, in your family, and then weight started catching up, and then that vicious cycle started. Our diet was not good. We were accumulating toxins all the while, and
Yes.
then vicious cycle that just goes on. You have a fatty liver, you get gallbladder problems, irritable bowel syndrome, then joint pains, and all this just keeps adding. The list gets bigger and bigger.
Yes.
So I was really, 27 years I was under the treatment of cardiologist, nephrologist for kidney stones, concretions, kidney concretions, and then rheumatologist as well, having, joint pains every 2 3 weeks. So it was literally a life of distress till I started searching the net and seeing, videos of Sadhguruji, Subha Jain, natural lifestyle people. And finally, I tumbled across your, Facebook ad, how I reversed my rheumatoid
Rheumatoid
arthritis.
arthritis.
And, you were bedridden for 10 years, 10 long years. I saw those videos. You were helped by family. Somebody was taking you on a wheelchair. Somebody was, taking you to the washroom. And then getting up in just 3 months was literally so awe-inspiring. And, I just fell for that success story of yours. It was too inspiring to let it go. And immediately you advertised a webinar or something like that, workshop course of
5 day workshop, 5 day Sattvic
yeah,
detox
5 days
course.
Satvic Code workshop that started on the 1st of November. And on the fourth day, I was literally jumping with, energy, activity,
Wow,
productivity.
amazing.
You just name anything of productivity, I was doing it. And
So
before that,
within
I
four
was,
days, you got results like
yeah,
just
yeah.
in
It
4 days. So
started
that is
just
like a magic of
4 days.
Sattvic code, magic of Mother Nature. I was bedridden, and
Absolutely,
within 3 months,
absolutely.
rheumatoid arthritis went away,
Yeah, yeah.
and you saw results within fourth day. So yes, what are the
Finished that course. Sixth,
yes, yes, tell me, tell
yeah,
me.
yeah. By eighth, I was literally, jumping. I had a
Awesome.
spring in my stride all the way from morning till evening. There was no, lethargy. There was no mental fog. There was no, physical or, restriction of any kind.
So within those 5 days, what were some of the changes that you did that you did not do before for so many years, for 30 long years? And what were
Yeah,
some of
yeah.
the
I
big
used to do,
changes?
many, many things, but they would show temporary, just transient results and then get back to my that
Exactly.
vicious circle again.
Mhm.
So your program, it tells us Satvic code, those learn, do, and teach.
Yeah,
So I
golden
first
triangle
started,
formula.
yeah, the golden triangle that Satvic code teaches. So I started that. And then the food philosophy of Satvic code is LWPW,
Yes,
live
exactly.
food coming
Living food,
directly from
whole
the
food,
nature.
living
Yeah,
food,
yeah,
whole
wholesome
food,
food,
plant-based
plant-based,
and
and
water-rich
water-based.
food. So you that formula that
LWPW.
you applied religiously, and you
Yeah,
took
yeah, absolutely.
your food was
Religiously,
your
I took
medicine.
it. And fourth day, I was getting the results.
Oh,
That was
awesome.
really dramatic or miraculous. What
Okay.
eluded me for 27 years came in just 4 days with your program.
Okay. So what was that what did you find different in this program compared to all other programs that you attended earlier?
Well,
Like,
this was, coming directly from nature. You were not cooking them excessively. You were not using the oil. You
yeah,
replaced that oil thing with coconut and tomato and, rock salt paste.
yes,
And you
and
did
the
not
bit
cook.
size information that you received and community support, like having someone to talk to, that also helps in some way.
Yeah, yeah. I was seeing all videos, and then I started communicating with other people, telling them this is a great program.
Yes,
This lifestyle, this food, all that changes we are making. This is definitely going to show results because I was getting them, and I could tell them my example.
yes,
27
exactly,
years with the doctors, it was just a transient help, like a leaking water pipe. You just tie it with a cloth. Allopathy is, it's helpless at moments. It will just improve your sign symptoms, limit your disease, but it does not cure. Cure comes from
exactly,
your program, Sattvic program, where we take, natural things and remove the toxins from our body. The toxins are a big, big problem
exactly,
accumulated in your body, and they don't let you heal. And then
yeah,
you go on eating. Eating is a good rich meal will take 18 hours to digest. By that
exactly.
time, we have taken another 4 meals. There is no intermittent fasting, which your program tells us to do from maybe 6 p.m. to 8 a.m. next morning, 14 hours. Then you take a juice, wait for another 2 hours. So those 2 hours also get added to the program.
Exactly. So
Just my
yes,
battery is little low. Let me fix that problem.
oh yes, no issue.
We
You
have
can
in quantity.
fix
Shall.
the battery. Just like our phone needs to recharge, right? After every few
Yeah, yeah. Even
hours.
we need to
So
do
we
that.
also need to recharge our body with power of Mother Nature and give that break to our system. So you're talking about fasting and how giving that required break helps you to recharge. People think that
Yeah, yeah.
food is there to recharge our system. Food gives you
Yeah, yeah.
energy.
As you told us in your program, that body has all the healing power. As we see, a broken bone is healed by the body. We don't put in any plaster or cement or anything to calcium or any other thing to heal that bone. So just we immobilize that part, and the bone gets formed by the body itself.
Exactly, exactly. Without
Even in
any
an
medication, without any medication,
without any
just
medication,
by
even in a
keeping it steady.
yeah, yeah. Even in an accident, as a doctor, I know if you lose even 75% of your liver or 60, 70% of your liver, it regenerates. It
Exactly.
gains back its function. So intermittent fasting and rest to the body is very, very important.
Yes, we definitely need more and more doctors like you. Look, who, after being trained in the field of allopathy for so many years, when you switch to this naturopathic lifestyle,
Yeah, yeah.
sattvic lifestyle,
You know,
it plays a very big, big role. And you are like a role
absolutely.
model for all the doctors across the world. And when they start to give this Mother Nature's medicines, then no doubt, like within few years, this world will be medication free and
Inshallah,
disease
inshallah,
free.
God willing. 33 years in allopathy, and now I am an ENT surgeon. I am doing my own clinic. Plus, I have started a naturopathy clinic.
Oh,
Healing
awesome.
by diet modification.
Yes. This is actually, we should note it down. You are following that golden triangle of learn, do, and teach. Somewhere I feel that there is close connection between healing and getting results and following the golden triangle, because I have seen many people who follow the diet but still they are not getting results, who follow the diet, who are who are complying to all the Mother Nature codes, but they are not willing to share out what they are doing with the world, like sharing the Mother Nature knowledge, telling everything that they are learning. Like I used to take pictures, take videos and share it with the world, and
Yeah,
charity begins at home, right? Share
yeah,
it with
yeah,
people
absolutely.
around you, share
I am
fruits, vegetables.
I
So
am also doing that. In fact, when I go out for a morning walk, I try to catch people who seem
oh,
to be obese, big belly, fatness, and not able to walk, run, or those things. I tell them my success story and tell them that, can you give me half a minute? And then the talk goes on to 10
oh,
minutes, 15 minutes, because
hats
they're
off to
ready to
you for
listen.
that.
They are also struggling, They're
Yes.
struggling and they want to know how to come out of that web of, distress and disease.
Yes. So we like become fountain of knowledge, fountain of love, spreading that love around the world. So
Absolutely,
actually,
absolutely.
when the flow happens, when you keep on sharing and let the fountain flow, the river, you can say just like a stagnant pond, how it stagnates and over a period of time it stings, right? So when you keep on flowing and keep on
Yeah,
sharing
yeah.
the
It
information,
it benefits you
yeah,
as well.
yeah, and the
The body,
purification of mind, body, and soul happens
yeah, yeah,
in
and the
that
body
single funnel.
responds positively.
Yes, exactly. So if you all are watching the recording, then make sure that you share this story with everyone in your family and in your close uh,
Yeah,
group. Like,
I just completed 60 years of my life, and I think this is the best period of my life.
oh yes, very important point. People these days tell that you cannot reverse disease once you're old and once you're 60, 60 and up. So Murtaza ji, Dr. Murtaza ji is a living example of how you can be young even after 60 and how you can just be bubbling with energy and joy and enthusiasm. So Murtaza ji, tell us more about like how energetic you're feeling and just like a kid in
Like,
your
like,
heart is
like,
alive.
like a teenager. I couldn't get up for morning prayers, for breakfast. Family would tell me, please come have breakfast. We are
Oh,
getting late.
yes.
Today, I finish, all the household job in the morning before the light goes at electricity goes at 8 a.m. I have finished so many things by that time. Then I
Yes,
go out
yes.
for a walk, one and a
Awesome.
half hour walk, and that includes
Exactly.
sunbathing as well. I do some kapalbhati while I'm on that. If I sit for a while,
Okay.
I will do anulom vilom, that breathing
Mhm.
exercise. So you can do multitasking while you are on the walk also. In fact, yesterday I was doing oil pulling. I put some
Oh,
coconut
wow.
oil in my mouth, and for 1 hour I was, gargling that in my mouth.
Oh, awesome. So, like, you
Yeah,
have
that
become addicted to Sattvic lifestyle now. So, this is a
absolutely,
lifestyle. This
absolutely. There is no other way, I think.
people ask me, like, is this lifestyle that you have to live forever? Or after I get healed, can I go back to the old way of diet and healing?
No,
So,
you cannot. You cannot.
yeah, exactly. Because you will not like to go back the old way. You will
No,
be
the body,
addicted.
your body does not accept that old food.
Yes, exactly. Your body completely changes.
Yeah, yeah, it's stale. It's full of, preservatives, canned, packaged foods. You don't like those. You need fresh
Exactly.
all the time.
Our taste buds change over a period of time.
Absolutely. And I was hearing one interview of a specialist doctor on the World Diabetes Day. He said our
Okay.
requirement of oil is just half a liter per month.
Oh, awesome.
And just imagine how much oil we are consuming. Everybody has a fatty liver these days. Only the
Yeah.
grades start changing, one to two, and then you go on to have cirrhosis and then liver failure.
Yes, yes.
So why do you
Exactly.
want a liver transplant when you can just change your diet and get well within days and weeks?
Yeah, people these days don't know how to cook without oil. But Mother Nature wants us to eat food directly available in from nature itself.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Everything
that's
is
very
ready
correct.
made in nature. We don't have to work
There are
hard
many
much.
Yeah, yeah. There are many videos, which teach you how to cook without oil.
Without oil,
But
exactly.
I
Steaming is the
really don't
best
think,
way. Yes.
unless you are taking non-veg food and a lot of oil, sorry, I don't think one is going to get better.
Yes. And you had, you also faced, you told me like how it was very difficult to wake up in the morning and you were
Yeah,
so
yeah,
lethargic early in the morning itself. Early morning is, we are meant to be very fresh and recharged after a good night's sleep. But still you would be tired earlier.
before I
So,
would sleep for 6 7 hours, but I thought just 1 hour has passed, and my
uh,
body has not relaxed. I have
oh,
not recovered. Today I sleep for 1 hour. I feel I have already slept 8 hours. I am
that
so
means
fresh.
our, yeah, exactly. Our whole day, whole night, our body is continuously digesting the
Yeah,
food because of which
absolutely.
we wake up tired.
Yeah, yeah. When you give that, you do intermittent fast from 6 to 8, 6 p.m. to 8 a.m., you give your body a lot of time to recover and heal. All the healing
Exactly.
occurs in that. As you said, hunger heals. We are happy to feel hungry.
Yes, I
Others, when
make
they
you
feel
all type
hungry,
hunger is healing.
they just grab a banana, and then the
Yes.
old story begins again.
Yes, allowing yourself to remain hungry and enjoying that sensation of hunger
Yeah,
is also
yeah,
part of
absolutely.
healing instead
Sure,
of
sure.
grabbing any food.
Yeah,
So, yes, also, I would like to know, like, what are the other complications that you faced earlier? Like, you say face several, like, with medication, with respect to medication. Have your
yeah. There are,
medications reduced? And
you
what are
know,
the? Are you taking any medication right now? And
I,
how
I,
much
I am
healing
still
percent?
still taking medications for blood pressure. I have stopped
Okay.
my medication for gout. I do not
Okay.
take anything for reducing weight. Before I would get supplements from USA. Even then, I took a course of 10 months for 60,000 rupees.
Oh,
But still,
awesome.
no benefit at all. Just you would lose 2, 3, 5 kgs, and 7, 8 would come back. But
Exactly.
this one is constant, and what is gone is gone. Unless
Mhm.
you go back to your old food habits, this weight or all that distress will never come back. I
Okay.
had blood pressure for 27 years, and my medication kept on increasing from one. It was now almost a dozen tablets, 7 in the morning and 5 in the evening. So that was just distressing, and side effects, they cripple you.
Exactly.
Uh, from that thing, and then for you know when the BP is high, you have anxiety. Your heart starts galloping, and
Because our
it
mind
doesn't.
body is all connected. So
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
happens to your
some
body, it
some
affects your heart, mind
some
as well.
people tell you, no, you're taking tension, you're getting anxious. You
Yes.
cannot reduce it. That yogic breathing will control it for a while, but not to when it just gets out of hand. Your BP 220 by 120, your breath is shallow, it's fast, your heart starts galloping like a racing horse. You cannot do anything about it. So I think if we take this program and take that plant-based food diet, you are
Yes.
in for dramatic results.
Yes, you don't only save your health and your precious life, but you also save a lot of money
Absolutely,
that you would have
absolutely.
spent in allopathic. People say that
Yeah,
this lifestyle is very costly. You have to invest in fruits and vegetables. Just imagine how much you are investing in allopathic medicines and those
yeah, yeah.
conventional form of
And also,
treatment. And
you don't buy non-veg, you don't buy oils and ghee, and then you're
yes,
saving a
exactly.
lot of
Lot of
money on
money
those
is
things
saved.
also.
Lot of money is saved.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yes,
In the
and
morning, in fact, I was watching one video of Deepak Chopra with Oprah Winfrey.
yes,
And
yes,
he was telling that age is just a number. Your best years are from aging is just, a misconception. It's a
yes,
mistake.
yes,
You don't age. With toxins, your body just degrades.
exactly.
Otherwise, if the toxins are out, you reverse everything.
Mhm.
You can live your best years from 70 to 130 years. I was
Yes,
really
exactly.
surprised to hear all that.
Yes,
This
because
was,
before industrial age came up, right? Earlier people would live up more than 100 years, like
yeah,
130. When the industry start coming, more and more processed food, sugars, oils,
yeah,
processed packed food, tinned, canned, in plastic wrappers. And when
yeah,
kids started to consume that, and our body started, because of the toxicity, we were aging fast, getting this disease like rheumatoid arthritis at 21.
yeah, yeah.
So our lifespan reduced. So, and that's why, even if you're 60, even if you're 100, you're still young if you can live a sattvic lifestyle. So age is just a
Sure,
number for
sure.
us.
2 months before, I was, really sometimes getting stuck while doing surgeries, while driving,
Yes.
indecisiveness while taking a decision. Now I drive like a rally driver. The
Wow.
decisions are so clear cut, and in split seconds, I really surprised myself. The distance I used to cover in 15 minutes, I cover in 7, 8 minutes now. The surgeries, rhinoplasties is my passion. I would do it in 3 to 4 hours, but today I do it in 2 hours or even less. My speed and
Awesome.
expertise, skill has just gone through the roof by the grace of
Yes.
Almighty.
So that is one more awesome, miraculous benefit of Sattvic lifestyle. It improves your productivity and you can earn even
Absolutely,
more,
absolutely.
right? You can earn
You
more,
know,
you can serve
I
more.
I don't tire throughout the day, even till 1 o'clock in the night. I am ready to
Yes.
do anything.
Yeah, that is the magic
Absolutely.
actually. Your body, you're
No
getting less
fatigue,
burden on your body.
no fatigue, no lethargy. All, it's all sharp and, focused and active and productive. I never
Yes.
thought, with so much of disease and debility, I thought my, validity and utility was over. 60 might be it. I wouldn't live further. But now I think 60 is just the beginning. I
You
have
thought
never
this
been
at
so active.
60. I thought that at 21 years. I thought that my life ended when I was 21
Yeah, yeah.
because of this
I
RN.
know what you have gone through. That was really,
Yes.
very, very, traumatizing.
So yes, everything is a learning in disguise. So that was like a blessing for me in disguise because that gave me so much of experience learning. It made me a completely different person, uh, evolved me at a spiritual level,
Yeah,
and your body is reflection of your soul at some point.
yeah,
So
yeah,
how
sure.
pure you are, how sattvic you are in heart. Sattvic means purity, and purity in thought, words, and action is very crucial
Yeah,
for your overall well-being. Like even WHO tells, like health is not just about the body; it is also like balancing mind, your
sure,
soul, and
sure.
how you think about others, and how
I
and
was
what is your self-image.
I was, a Sattvic person, but because of all these diseases and side effects, it was socially embarrassing. Anywhere you went,
Yes.
you are 100 kgs man. Look at you, they're scared. I don't know when this man will burst open, explode, and pass away. That was just 1 year ago in socializing gatherings. It was like that. But now when they see me, they said, Murza, what did you do?
So how much
I
weight did
was
you lose in total?
I have already lost 17 kgs from 103. I am
Oh, that
86
is a
now.
big number. 17 kgs is a big number.
86. I never lost 17 kgs. Always maybe maximum 9 or 10, and it would always come back with additional 2 3 kgs, and it was very depressing and distressing.
Exactly. So Mother Nature is so powerful. It always helps you to balance your weight. If you're underweight,
Also,
then your
my
health will
school types, they
optimize.
were surprised to see me. They said, you were one of the best sportsmen and athletes. I had a
Mhm.
college blue in cricket, in table tennis. I would play all other games also. They would ask me, what happened to you? From, a constant 63, you are 103 kgs. 40 kgs is hell of a weight to gain. And
Exactly.
it's an impediment in your daily life.
Yeah, even I was a Bharatnatyam dancer in my school days. Actually, what happens is suddenly when our activity stops, when stress
Yeah, yeah.
starts to creep in, so everything that we do is toxic. Our thoughts are toxic, our sedentary lifestyle. So
Yeah, yeah,
for a period
yeah.
of time, yeah, our life shows us like
I
something
think
is
just
going wrong. And it times to
6 months
take.
back, I was also at my lowest ebb, you can say, emotionally, physically,
Yes.
medically, anything you talk, I was at my lowest ebb. And that is where the turnaround happened. I came across your ad in Facebook, and then I took the program just few days after that. And then rest is history, I think.
Yes. So yes, now I do. I I'm like actively promoting this Sattvic lifestyle to ads like Instagram, social media, YouTube, because I believe like as a Sattvic coder, as a Mother Nature's guiding angel, it is our responsibility to market what is good all over the net, all over the social media. People are marketing things that are bad for us like oily food, pizza,
Yeah,
burger,
yeah.
you'll find the same thing. But
They
as a Sattvic coder, it is our responsibility to market good food directly coming from Mother Nature,
you
fresh
know
fruits, vegetables.
advertising convinces you to have bad things,
Yes,
for
exactly.
their profits and
For
gaining money.
business.
They would convince you for anything.
But sadly,
They,
no one is there to advertise on behalf of Mother Nature. So it is our responsibility to do it on. as
Yeah,
at
I
individual
am
level.
also, I am already doing that in my
Yeah.
clinic. I have started that naturopathy clinic, treating other diseases by diet, and my own side also, I have started that amalgamating the two things. I give medicines, I tell them this is a short term uh, therapy, and then you
Oh,
have to change your diet and continue with that. You
oh,
won't need
what?
medicines.
You're the
You
best
won't.
doctor in the world, because my doctor told me you have to take this medicines long term, and diet has no role to play. So when you are telling that this medicines are short term and diet will work in long term, that gives a
Absolutely,
huge hope
absolutely.
to the patient.
Yeah, yeah.
Hope and belief itself is the halfway road crossed. Halfway you are through for the health.
When I had this gout pain, every 2 3 weeks, some joint would, swell up. My rheumatologist, he said, although your tests are negative for rheumatoid arthritis, but he put me on treatment. I was in Saudi Arabia those days. He
Okay.
put me on treatment for rheumatoid arthritis. I took, steroids for 3 4 months.
Oh yes.
Till somebody other, I shifted to another place. The rheumatologist there told me, your gout is very, very bad. You need to
Okay.
treat your gout. You need to change your diet. So,
Mhm.
and now, gout is just history. Obesity should be history also. I'll reduce another 10 kgs at
Yes,
least.
easily you can do it. So
And
actually,
I
this
have
is also one of the problem. Like people are misdiagnosed rheumatoid
yeah,
arthritis. They are not able to diagnose it early at early stage, like
yeah,
any kind of joint disorder.
sure,
So
sure.
like spreading awareness is also very important through our
Yeah, yeah,
success stories.
yeah.
So yes, apart from this, what were like your exercise routine? Exercise is also one of the key element to detox your system. So
Yeah,
exercise and mindfulness to detox mind. So these two
yeah,
elements is,
like these days, there is freezing temperature. We have minus temperatures in
oh
Kashmir,
yes, you are
but
from
still,
Kashmir.
even no, even these days I walk. I cover myself up.
That's all.
There is, all something around my face. There is a mask. There is a scarf, and then I am dressed up very properly with inner warm garments, and I walk even these days. 90 minutes of a walk, or at least
Oh
1 hour.
wow.
Then I used to go out to gyms. I have joined gyms many times, but I could never, continue or stick to that. Somehow it just put me off for one reason or the other. Now I have bought a gym machine, home gym. It has, 8 functions in one machine,
Okay.
for your shoulders, for your arms, for your chest, for your legs, for your belly.
Oh
And then
awesome.
also I did a course of yoga of 15 days where I learned all that yogic asanas, Surya Namaskar, but nothing seemed to work till I
Oh
changed my diet.
yes. So diet is plays a very important role, even
This is a
more than exercise.
primary, thing you have to do.
Yes. So
Other
both
things
works
follow.
hand in hand.
Yeah, yeah.
So actually, why people don't enjoy gym is because it is in closed room, it is in closed environment.
Yes,
But when you're out in nature, open sky, infinite sky, cool breeze, green trees, birds, then you enjoy even more to exercise. So always being out and
I
spending time in Mother Nature is also one of the important medicine for our body.
early morning, just when our prayer finishes, the sunrise time, it's sunrise time.
Mhm.
Birds start shouting outside for their
Oh,
feed. I
yes,
feed those
exactly.
birds. There are, so many groups
Oh,
of them.
so
Some
sweet
sitting
of
at one
you.
place, pigeons at the other. I take care
Yes.
of the doggies. I open them, and they attend to their calls of
Oh,
nature
so
and
one
all
more
that.
aspect. You're so connected and
Yeah,
closely connected to Mother Nature. So we have to
absolutely,
become
absolutely. You
one
have
with
to be.
Mother Nature because we are part of Mother Nature. That's
Yeah,
why that's when we will heal faster. And you said that you are from Kashmir. People with arthritis, they fear cold. Like they know that during this time their joints will ache. And also other important element, lack of vitamin. Vitamin D is also one of the important
yeah, yeah.
thing that we need to do
In
have.
our family, everybody had a low vitamin D. We took injections, we took
Okay.
sachets, and we took tablets and capsules because, during winters, this time, 40 days we'll not see the sun. There
Yes,
is a
yes.
barrier of cloud between the sky and the earth. So we have to go for alternate measures to pick up our vitamin D.
Yes, yes. So, so vitamin D, like also your body gets naturally from sunshine. So
Yeah,
during
yes,
when the sun is out, that time you have to make sure that your maximum you're spending more time in sunlight, so that throughout the year you're sufficiently uh, like you have sufficient
yeah, yeah.
vitamin D as well.
You need, vitamin D is so essential for, boosting your immunity.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Once your immunity profile is low, you catch all the colds, viral fevers. You are prone to get any damn thing in your body unless it is protected by vitamin D.
So the
And
takeaway from this is like even if it is winters, it is important to go out, spend time in nature,
yeah,
move your body, and take any natural light that is available.
and
And
many studies show that 90% of our population is deficient in vitamin D. These are
because of this rooms,
yeah,
because we are constantly indoors.
indoors, and then diet also,
Yeah,
dietary
that.
deficiencies,
Yeah.
they also contribute to having a low vitamin
Yes,
D.
exactly. So when you're fasting, when you're following this sattvic lifestyle, automatically your body repairs itself, and vitamin D you get naturally, because I have not been taking any vitamin D supplements for past
Yeah,
years,
yeah.
but still I'm enjoying
I
this.
did few months back. Now I have stopped.
Yes. So you will stop needing supplements and medicines over a period of time, have complete trust and belief
Yeah.
in the mother nature.
Yes, yes.
So we have come to the end of this success story. So at the end, what is like three important tips that you would share for all our viewers, according to you, that would add value to their life and that they should apply it on daily basis?
Yeah, yeah. First is, the diet. You have to change. You have to go to Sattvic. Food philosophy is LWPW, live things which come from directly from nature to your kitchen. Then it has to be wholesome.
Yes.
Then plant-based and water-rich.
Yes. No
Since our
animal
body,
based, all plant based.
yeah, plant-based, water-rich, 70% of our body is made of water. So the food has also to be 70% water-rich. 30% you can take. And as you have already told what food we have to take, it's plant based. Then oils you replace with coconut and tomato plus rock salt paste. Add it to that and make composite roti or brown rice. Cereal is you take only one time. The other one you either take a
Huh.
bowl of soup or
So
you
one
take
grain meal.
a one grain meal, yeah, or you take a soup with sprouts or
Hmm.
overnight soaked nuts. In the
Yes.
morning, you start with the juice. Then after 2 hours, you take a bowl of fruit with nuts, or if you cannot, if you're tired or lazy of chewing that, or it's cumbersome, you make a smoothie and put in those nuts, overnight soaked nuts. And
Yes,
then
exactly.
lunch, dinner, and evening snack, you can take coconut slices, or you can take a few dates. You can take any fruit of your choice,
Exactly.
or
So
a
life
herbal.
becomes so much simpler with the sattvic lifestyle.
Absolutely, cooking goes to the minimum. Raw food also has to be incorporated in your
Yeah.
food.
Yes,
So
because we
cooking,
are getting sun cooked food. It is cooked in sunshine for
yeah,
months and grown in trees. So
yeah,
millions of
yeah.
process has happened. Mother Nature
You
has
get
very
all
beautifully engineered our
you
food.
get all the vitamins, minerals, and all sorts of things in natural form,
Exactly.
which
So
are destroyed by cooking.
mhm, exactly. So you are like an action taker of this community, and do share all your progress inside the community as well, because we all are here to inspire each other. And I'm sure the 5 day detox course that you attended is, you did not limit it to 5 days only. It is a journey of
Yeah, yeah, it's
lifetime.
continuing. It's been
Yeah, it
two
is
months now.
yeah, it has. So it is like you have to do it forever, and you will enjoy the journey.
Yeah,
And with
yeah,
this community, we will inspire and motivate each other with our own unique
yeah, yeah.
tips
We need to
and
include
suggestions.
more and more people. It's just a lifestyle change, nothing else.
Yes, yes. So
Just you
you are
change the diet and
you
you change your life.
yeah. I'm like thinking like you can be called like a Sattvic star of this community, because
Thank
stars
you,
are
thank
like
you so
always shining. So Sattvic stars. I'm trying to label this interview series because we feel like a star. That star is different of Bollywood and
Yeah, yeah.
Hollywood. We
I
are like
hope
Sattvic stars shining bright, spreading the light of joy, and your
yeah,
face also glows automatically in this
yeah, yeah.
lifestyle.
My complexion has changed. My face is smaller. You know, it used to be
Oh
very
wow.
broad,
Yes,
more
yes.
broader than long.
So
I hope the
miraculous.
Satvic sky has many more stars
Oh, so
joining us,
thank you
and
so
we
much
we
for this
we make a
blessing.
galaxy of Satvic coders, inshallah.
Yes, Sattvic coders, Sattvic stars, and yes, we will like to see more stars in the community. And through
Yeah,
this
yeah.
interview series,
I hope
podcast series, we
you
will have a
inspired
lot of
me,
stuff.
and together we can inspire many more people.
Yeah, and this world will shine with lot of
Sure.
brightness, radiance. All the darkness will fade away with the
Inshallah.
light that we emit. So
God willing, God willing.
thank you so much, Murtaza ji, for sharing your wonderful story,
Thank you,
wonderful
thank
success story, and
you.
may God bless you and may you
You're
continue to
welcome.
inspire this
Welcome
world
always.
similarly. Thank you so much. So
Thank
we
you
end this
so much.
podcast here. So bye bye and take care,
Bye bye.
everyone. Love you
You
all.
too take care. Thank you so much.